Today, September 17, 2023, 3:45 p.m. here in Philippines. Oh my God. It's rain again. How can I go there? I cannot go to somewhere using the motorcycle. I cannot, when I go mag-commute, very hard also. Kasi mag-aagawan ng mga tao ng sasakyan kasi maulan, because of rain, super traffic. And when I commute, all people will go ride in the jeep. Diba? Sobrang masikip. Ano ba yan? Always rain here in Davao. Ay, nako. Wala na talaga. Hindi na ako makaalis. Inshallah. Sa na lang ako mag-alis. Hindi din pwede tomorrow because I have scheduled tomorrow for the dentist. Tuesday, I will go to somewhere with my sister. Miraculous na lang talaga. So, bye for now. Take care everybody kasi slide yung way kasi nga maulan.